A very good morning, dear students. As we were reading section B of Unit 1, The Adventure of the Masoon, until now you know the story about that Masoon who was constructing the chamber. He was helping that strange man, and when he heard the cathedral bell of the church, he went to his home and told all the story to his family. Then he became so poor, and then he met a very rich person, and that rich person he wanted some construction to be done in his home with less money, so he wants some labor who can do in less money his work. So now come to page number 7. The Masoon was accordingly conducted to a large deserted house that seemed going to ruin. मासून को क्या नजर आ रहा था, उसे एक ऐसे घर में ले जाया गया डेजर्टेड, जैसे जो मिट्टी का ढेर हो जाता है ऐसा होने वाला था. That seemed going to ruin, जो बहुत बुरे तरीके से ruin यानी स्पॉइल खराब होने वाला था. Passing through several empty halls and chambers, he entered an inner court. और जैसे ही वो घर के अंदर घुसता है, there were some empty halls and some chambers. Chamber means big rooms, you can say, like halls. He entered an inner court, और वह अंदर के कोर्ट में जाता है, where his eye was caught by an old Moorish fountain. And what he found there, उसकी आंखों ने क्या देखा, that same Moorish fountain which he saw when the strange person he took him over there to construct the chamber where he had hidden that money, that storage he had constructed. He paused for a moment, और वो कुछ देर के लिए रुक जाता है मासूम. For a dreaming recollection of the place come over him, क्योंकि वो क्या चाह रहा था कि कोई सपना तो नहीं है, कोई सपना तो नहीं देखा था, कि वो अपनी उन मेमोरीज को, पुरानी यादों को दोबारा से इकट्ठा कर रहा था कि where he had seen this place, कि ये जगह उसने पहले कब देखी थी. Pray, said he, who occupied this house formerly? और जैसे ही वो कहता है उनसे, प्रार्थना करते हुए आराम से बात करता है कि ये घर पहले किसने ले रखा था. Formerly means earlier. A pest upon him, cried the landlord. लैंडलॉर्ड क्या कहता है, लैंडलॉर्ड यानी जिसका मकान था. A pest upon him, it was an old miser. ओल्ड माइजर मीन्स एक कंजूस सा आदमी रहता था, हु केयर्ड फॉर नोबडी बट हिमसेल्फ, जो सिर्फ अपनी चिंता करता, नॉट अबाउट एनीवन एल्स. ही वाज सेड टू बी immensely rich, and he was too rich. Immensely means a lot of money he was having. He had no relations, there was no relative. He died suddenly, and he died all of sudden, but nothing could be found except a few gold coins in a leather purse. And when he died, nothing was found in this home, only a leather purse with few gold coins. The worst luck has fallen on me. और बुरा सबसे क्या हुआ, सारा बुरा नसीब मुझे मिला. For since his death, तब से वो मरा है. People pretend to hear the clinking of gold all the night in the chamber where the old miser slept, as if we were counting over his money, and sometimes a groaning and moaning about the court. तभी वो क्या बताता है कि लोगों को यहाँ रात को क्लिंकिंग यानी साउंड, आवाजें आती हैं, जैसे सोने के सिक्के खड़कने की, जैसे कि वो बूढ़ा आदमी, वो कंजूस इंसान यहीं सो रहा है जो यहाँ रहता था, और वो अपने पैसे गिन रहा है. कभी कभी sometimes what happens, groaning and moaning is loud cry, जोर जोर से चिल्लाने की आवाज आती है, रोने की. कोर्ट के अंदर जैसे कोई रो रहा है. whether true or false, ये नहीं पता whether the story is true or false, or the people they are just having rumors about this story. These stories have brought a bad name on my house, and not a tenant will remain in it. और इसी वजह से मेरा घर जो है वो बुरा नाम पड़ चुका है. नो वन, कोई भी किराएदार यहाँ नहीं आता है, and it is lying empty. Enough, said the mason with determination. Let me live in your house rent free until some better tenant present, and I will engage to put it in repair. Then mason, what he said, enough, काफी है. वो पूरी determination with strong will power कहता है, मैं यहाँ रहूंगा लेकिन मैं रेंट नहीं दूंगा. रेंट फ्री आई विल लिव हेयर एंड आई विल रिपेयर योर हाउस इफ यू अलाउ मी. तब तक आपको अच्छा टेनेंट, अच्छा किराएदार नहीं मिलता. आई विल लिव इन फ्री एंड आई विल रिपेयर योर हाउस. The offer of the honest masoon was gladly accepted. और यही बात मान ली जाती है. Rich man, he got agreed with the masoon. He moved with his family into the house and fulfilled all his engagements. And what happened? The masoon, he shifted there with his family with all the things he needed for his family. Little by little he restored it to its former state. And धीरे धीरे उसने क्या किया, पहले की तरह उसे बना दिया. Like somebody lives in home, and somebody is not living, it is empty. You know the difference between such kind of homes ना, जब कोई नहीं रहता, खाली होता है, तो घर कैसा होता है, और जब फैमिली रहने लग जाती है, how it looks like. The clinking of gold was no more heard at night but began to be heard by day in the pocket of the living Monsoon. And from that day only, the clinking means the sound of gold coins was not heard during night. जो लोगों को रात को सुनाई देती थी, वो सिक्के गिनने की आवाज, वो रात को आने की बजाय अब लोगों को दिन में आने लगी। कहाँ से? मसून की पॉकेट से। In other words, he increased rapidly in wealth to the admiration of all his neighbors and became one of the richest men in Grenada. एंड दूसरे शब्दों में कहा जाए तो इंक्रीज रैपिडली यानी एकदम से, पैसा, वेल्थ, यू कैन से मनी, एकदम से बहुत सा पैसा उसके पास आ गया था। Lot of money came to him. He became a very rich person of Granada, the city of Spain. And people started praising him because now he was rich. He never revealed the secret of the vault and until on his deathbed to his son and heir. और जब तक उसने ये सीक्रेट किसी को नहीं बताया, until and unless he got on the deathbed, जब बिल्कुल वो मरने वाला था, he was about to die, then he told his son and all the heir who were about to take his place in his family that he has constructed a chamber here where lot of gold coins were stored, a storage room he constructed, and lot of money is there. This was the secret, and this was the story by Washington Irving, who was a writer born in New York City. At the age of 19, he started writing letters to the newspaper. Letters लिखते थे वो newspaper में. Few names are given. You will take a reading of this whole chapter and you will find out difficult words. If any query, you will just underline it or write it down in your PNB notebook. In our online classes, we can take that. Thank you everyone and have a good day.